Hello guys, today I've got the Realme 16 Pro 5G and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix no SIM card detected in this device. At first you need to prepare something like this for yourself. This is the SIM card tray opener and you get one with your phone in the box. Once you get that, you need to at first turn your phone like this. Once you do that, you need to find this hole over here. You need to put this needle, this SIM card opener, into this hole and with some strength to get out the SIM card tray. Now it's done. Let's get it out. And now, three things to do. The first thing, try to take out the SIM card tray and put it back again to your phone, and everything should be nice. If it doesn't here or here, the second thing you need to do, try to clean your SIM card over here with some microfiber cloth without any, of course, alcohols, etc. Just simple cloth. The third thing, if it still doesn't work, try to change from SIM2 to SIM1 or from SIM1 to SIM2, of course, port. From here to here or from here to here. Now, after doing so, everything should be working nice. If it still doesn't work, check your SIM card in another device, for example your older one or in your friend's one, to check the SIM functionality. If the SIM doesn't work, because it doesn't work in other phone, you need to contact the carrier to verify the data plan, or check for outages, or just, to fix them in the carrier website. If it doesn't work, if your SIM card doesn't work, if it does work in the other phone and not in yours, you need to now open here the phone, and now once you do that, you need to now go to the settings, scroll down and tap System and Update. Here, backup and reset phone, tap Reset Bluetooth settings, network and Bluetooth settings, tap pattern, and now you need to confirm your pattern over here to do this reset. All the Bluetooth settings, all the Wi-Fi settings, and all the mobile network settings will be resetted, and so everything should be working nice. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.